I'm Babu Nagappan, AVP at Payless Shoes, responsible for all application development support that includes store systems, store help desk, e-commerce, business intelligence, data warehouse, integration, ERP systems, QA. Anything comes under the application development umbrella is mine. About Payless, Payless is about trend right, comfortable footwear for a value price. Payless vision is to provide everyone access to the best styles and brand. In order to achieve this mission, in order to provide the same style and brand for the price the customer wanted, we need to keep the operational expenses very minimal. And in order to keep the operational expense minimal, our goal is to increase the IT value. And how do we increase the IT value? By choosing the right product, right platforms that is easy to maintain and operate, and keeping the operational efficiency higher. So Payless used close to 500 systems, and I'm not exaggerating about it. We used many systems and tools. Even for integration, we used one of the other products in the market for integration, then in-house developed integration. Then if we had an ERP tool and they had their own integration tool, we used that. So we used multiple ways for the same purpose. So what we started doing was consolidating all of them, all of the custom applications into one ERP. Even on POS, we had multiple POS. So we said, okay, we are going to go with one POS. So we had one POS, one ERP, one solution for merchandising, one solution for integration. So we had another integration tool. We were thinking, should we continue to use that? And the cost was one of the primary factors. And the other factor which we are a bit concerned about continuing with them was the knowledge skill set. It's not so easy to learn. So we were finding it struggle to find resources in the market. The reason why we chose Workato from there is the ease of learning. Like some of these technical members are very good technical folks, but haven't worked on any other integration tool before. They were able to easily pick up. You don't need to even be technical to do certain automation. So even your business users can do basic recipes to do certain things. I know Workato is called automation. At Payless, we use that for automation. We use heavily for integration. We also using that as a scheduler tool. We use Workato in whatever possible ways we could. By Workato automation, I think it is touching every department because our whole data warehouse is powered by the Workato platform. So we are able to get all the data on a daily basis through Workato into our data warehouse. So through the data warehouse, it's powering our merchandising team, finance team for reporting, and then our stores for the metrics, various metrics the store users, the executives are using. So through that, it's almost helping everybody in the business. We are using Workato for integrating between any of our systems, between ERP and any external systems. For example, we might want to send a file to our distribution center. It could be the price file or inventory file. So we're using Workato. We might also want to connect to systems like our e-commerce system and our ERP system. We are also using Workato for that. There is no limit for it. And I don't think we will ever stop doing something in Workato. Workato helped us in this journey of meeting our goal to keep the operational cost, to achieve the goal of where we started, the digital transformation. So we are completely digital transformed company. And in Workato was definitely one of the main systems tools for IT to achieve where it was. If we haven't automated, we wouldn't have probably closed our books on time monthly. So financially, it would have been a major challenge. We wouldn't have gone live with our digital transformation project. So that would have been a major blow for us, right? So we could have, yes, we could have gone towards the route of hiring 10, 20, 30 people to do all these things manually, keeping all the systems in sync. One, it would have been a lot of human errors and training issues. And obviously, it would not meet our goal of keeping the operational efficiency and cost. So that wouldn't have been a viable option anyways.